Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the antennas on the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic cartridge tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, verify the SIM tray is out. Next, undo the 15 screws in the mid frame. Next, disconnect the fingerprint power button connector plug. Next, use a plastic cartridge tool to create an opening to separate the midframe. Be gentle and work around the edges to free the plastic clips. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, remove the not working antennas from the body. First, disconnect both antenna plugs from the logic board and the charging port board, and then free the antennas. Next, place the new antennas on the frame and then secure both plugs from the both ends. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place the mid frame and secure it by adding 15 screws. Make sure all the mid frame clips are properly fastened before inserting the screws. And then insert the SIM tray. Next, secure the fingerprint connector plug. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.